Farah Khan's cook replaces her in ad with Shah Rukh Khan. I didn't even have a photo of myself. Farah Khan's popular kitchen vlog is full of laughs, celebrity guests, and delicious food, but her latest episode came with an unexpected star reveal. While cooking paneer biryani alongside celebrity MasterChef winner Gaurav Khanna, Farah dropped a surprising update. Her longtime cook, Didnt, recently shot an ad with none other than Shah Rukh Khan. Guys, I want to inform y'all that Didnt has recently shot for an ad, Farah revealed mid-cook. I was supposed to be in the ad, but last minute they told me I'd have to bring Didnt instead. Guess who he shot the ad film with? A curious Gaurav Khanna asked, who, to which an excited Didnt proudly responded, Shah Rukh Khan. Beaming with disbelief, Didnt shared his experience working with the superstar. Never in my life did I think I'd get to shoot with Shah Rukh Khan, he said. I didn't even have a single picture of myself on my phone, and Farah ma'am just took me straight to a video shoot. Gaurav, stunned and delighted, praised the moment, while Farah, who has been one of Shah Rukh's closest collaborators, grinned at her cook's big moment. Farah has directed SRK in 3 of her 4 films: Main Hoon Na, Om Shanti Om, and Happy New Year, and their bond remains one of the most iconic in the industry. Reminiscing about working with the superstar, Farah also shared a hilarious behind-the-scenes anecdote from Om Shanti Om. Recalling Shah Rukh's improvised line during a scene with Tiger, she said, he randomly said, "Naughty pussy. I died." I didn't know he was going to say that. Farah had previously teased Didnt's upcoming shoot with SRK in an earlier vlog featuring actor Karan Patel, but had kept the details under wraps until now. Latest blogs.